Hey, what's up? Oh shoot, my chat's not working. One sec. Let me get it up and running. Also, my say hi in the chat banner disappeared. I gotta get that back. Ah. Okay, let's see if the chat's working now. Yeah, I think it's working. Yeah, my power went out a couple times yesterday, so all my windows closed and reset everything on my computer, so that's fun. And for some reason, I cannot get a banner to show up. Like just normal text to show up in OBS. So weird. It was, yeah, it was a neighborhood thing. Oh, let's up this a little bit. What the heck? Why can't I add just text to my screen? Okay, I can add text like that. Is the problem that I can't get the correct font? Yeah, I can't find the correct font. Great. Okay, one sec. Yeah, why are fonts of all things broken? That's weird. Well, I guess technically I know where my font is. Oh, oops. is in here somewhere. There it is. Or is it this one? No, it's this one. Okay, so now can I select that font? Nope. All right, we're gonna have to use a different font for now. Is there any like mono font? I guess, oh no. What the heck is going on? Ah! Good enough. I'll have to figure out my font situation later. Okay. Well, anyway. Oh, now I gotta open everything over here. Open Krita back up. This guy. I want to make this puzzle next. So this is kind of an interesting one. I hope it works. All right. What kind of Pokemon does this puzzle look like? I don't know. It even reset my pen. So it's tricky because you're gonna have to backtrack. You're gonna have to go over here and up here, flick a lever. You were too old when that stuff came out. All good. All good. And come back here. Get the box. Move it over to this button. Man, I've already forgotten. I think when it's a level with the hat tricks, we usually go with a psychic type Pokemon. So let's see. Maybe. Ooh, how about Gallade? I'm a Gallade fan. Just for reference. Let's go grab the reference here. Because you don't know. This is Gallade. Pretty sick. And here we are, new scene and everything. Okay, at the cell environment, nice. And let's make the ambient light will be green. And the modulate will be this pink. Nice. Okay. What's next? I need the tile map generators. Oh, I think it's just this. It is floor, tile map generator, and this one I will also need the wall tile map generator. So we're gonna learn a thing with this one. And what else do I need? Flare and gold. That's right. Ah, I think I put the goal down here. Where was it? Come back to me. There we go. Goal's down here. Yeah. Okay, let's start with the floor. So I need to set this for the floor. Or what is it? What does it say? Assign a tile set for basic floor collision. Yes. I think it's this one. Yes. I guess I should double check though. Base floor top. Got it. Then I need to draw some tiles. Let's do that. Terrains, floor. Just go like this. Okay, and it's super dark right now. Let's bump up the color. Hi. What's up, Salty? I don't think I've seen you before. Are you new? Yeah, you think it looks cool? Appreciate it. Our artist is really something special. Came from the Pirate Software video. Okay. Well, welcome. I'm trying to remember how I lightened up everything. Visibility. Well, yeah, welcome to the gang. Am I making an asset? Yeah, actually, yeah. Sorry, I'm a little sick today, so you're catching me with brain fog and everything. Let's but let me get a little intro for you. So, I'm Mojo. I am making a game, just to directly answer your question. I have made one game, and this is my second game. And by made a game, I mean I have released a game. And we're gonna get to it. Here it is. It's called Droppy Ball. And it's just a basic physics game. Just kind of like a strategy game. I call it Physics 2048. It's very similar to a lot of other games out there. But anyway, I learned a lot and put all of my research and learnings on a series called making a Steam page for my game, right? Now, we did the GMTK game jam this year and had an awesome team. And anyway, ended up liking working with each other so much that now we're still making the game. So here, let me put this in the chat for you. Just pin this real quick. Go check out the game if you want. Clearly, we have been adding a lot to it. It looks a lot different now. And is pretty cool. We really like this game. We're hoping it won't take too long to release. And that's about it. So I'm going to be working on this game on stream. And just like answering questions and stuff. Yeah, Droppy Ball was a solo project. And this one is with a team. So the team is me as the developer, my brother as a developer, and he does music. I guess I could play some of the music real quick. And then my friend Jared does the art. Actually, is it even playing the music? Okay, it is. And then my wife actually helped out with some of the puzzle design. So, pretty fun team. So yeah, this is the game. The gimmick is that the walls loop. Okay, let's see. By the way, I looked at your Steam making games, and I think maybe you could have better titles and thumbnails. That would help your videos do well. Yeah, I mean, for sure. I'm clearly not very good at this. I did a good job one time, and I need to do better. But yeah, it's definitely not a full-time job for me, so I get like the dregs of my energy to do this work. But yeah, definitely trying to improve. I don't think I really have improved yet, but yeah, I mean, better titles and thumbnails, that makes sense. So I appreciate the insight. If you got any other ideas, like totally let me know. Real quick, I gotta figure out how to lighten this up. Oh, it's just lighter in the center than it is on the side. Okay, cool. Alright, so the puzzle that I'm designing today is this one, which probably looks like a bunch of nonsense. But the idea is that you're going to start over here. The player is the circle. And you're going to have to go over here, flick this lever, go back, get this box over here, then flick this lever again. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff. The rotating doors. Okay. A title that would hook, and like if you're sharing your journey, I'm not quite sure, but you know where people make videos titled that I worked on this game for X hours or like that. Yeah. Yeah. Consume content in your niche to see what works. I do. Yeah, I do consume content, but the thing that's interesting is that game dev YouTube is not super popular, right? And like obviously I can't complain because I'm not like really racking up the numbers here. But yeah, I mean, I feel like most videos that I watch that I like, they're getting like, I don't know, a couple thousand views. And I definitely want to do better than that, which is, I know it's possible because I did it with the Pirate Software video, but at the same time, I'm not gonna do that type of content again, so it's like, I don't know. It's tricky. Like I want to do the YouTube thing. I want it to be kind of like a raw experience, right? Like someone who really doesn't know a lot is trying to do this. But yeah, I mean, maybe I need to just do all the clickbait and yeah. Anyway, I mean, I tried with my latest video to be clickbaity. I had Pirate Software in the thumbnail. I had, you know, a slightly clickbaity title, but then the content was just like probably boring unless you're a fan of the stream. So but yeah, I really appreciate the advice. Like I need to think about these things a little bit more. Actually, that is a good question. What kind of content would you like to see? Because I have a bunch of ideas for my future videos, but I haven't done much research beyond just what I would like to see. Commentary. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, like maybe I need to do some reactions here and there. Your latest video thumbnail isn't the best. Agreed, agreed. Yeah, I I made it at like midnight, just trying to get the video out. So yeah, I should probably, I mean, I could change that. I could change the thumbnail. I should do that. I'm gonna put that on my list. Honestly, my original thumbnail wasn't even that good, but it worked. Yeah, like Nintendo talking about games. Yeah. True. Yeah, maybe I should start doing that. Just give my take on it, on everything. There we go. I do have a Discord. Is it not in the YouTube description yet? I thought I put it in there. Let's see. How do I edit that? It is not in the description. My bad. One sec. To check out. Okay, let's do that. And I need to add this to my Twitch at some point. I'm going to put that on my list too. Or can I do this right now? Content. Settings. Stream. Nope, that's not it. I did this once upon a time. Oh man. Whoa, is my... Okay. Is this the end of Pirate Software? Plus my new game could work. Alright. Okay, let's see. I should promote it in my videos. Alright, bye. I'll stop by again. I gotta study for school. Yeah, have a good day. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And yeah, throw any ideas my way if you can. Join my Discord, etc. See ya. Is my Twitch chat subscriber only? It's not, right? I'm gonna turn that off anyway. Yeah, it was in subscriber only mode. Dang. I didn't know. Okay. Channel. Brand? Featured content? Ooh, I should update my schedule. Here, I'm learning things. He's got me thinking. Here, let's just, yeah, so YouTube, change the thumbnail for the addressing the controversy. Stream, add a schedule. Twitch. Where is my... I have a... I know I've done it once where I've put the thing. What is it called? Like where it's underneath your stream? The about page. I know I've put things in there. But how did I do that? Oh, about? Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so I've got social links. I've only got YouTube down there, huh? Let's do Discord. Ah. Oh wait, that is it. Add. And then I think but I've done more than that. There's more than that. Right? Like if I go to my page, didn't see what? Oh, the subscriber only. If I go to my page, I can scroll down and there's a banner for Loop Cell. Oh, it's panels, edit panels. Boom, it's right in here. Okay. Add text or image panel? Yes. Droppy Ball. I made a game and released it on Steam for only $1. Go check it out. And then I'll paste the link again. Submit. And then let's add one more. Discord. Get that Discord link again. There we go. Oh, I need to add an image. Add an image. How about this one? This is a good one, right? Done. Submit. Oh, I need a file smaller than 1 megabyte. How big is this? You see the new banner? Nice. Nice. I gotta find a small banner. Okay, how about this one? This one works. Done. Submit. Okay. And then the Discord will say the same thing as this. Copy. Paste. Submit. Okay, so now... Oh. Those links don't link in the description. Supports Markdown. Okay. Markdown link. Banner is working. All right. How do I do links? Okay, so I do this, and then the link inside. Click here to play the game. Submit. It's a formatting thing, yeah. So we'll do the same thing over here. And this in here. And then the Discord. Join my Discord server. And this. Nope. This. Submit. Okay. So now all of those should be links. It's not. Why didn't... Oh, I didn't submit the Droppy Ball one. Oops. Okay, there we go. So you can click on the image, or you can click, oh, and I should put Droppy Ball first. Click on the image, or you can click on the link. Cool. Sweet. Okay, so that's done. So add a schedule to Twitch, and then, yeah, for YouTube, ideas, like video ideas. I mean, you've said, is this the end of Pirate Software plus my game? Are you saying, is my game the end of Pirate Software? Just kidding. No, but for real, if you have ideas for YouTube videos, I am down. But he did say, so Salty said, Nintendo topics, like the Nintendo industry drama topic. It's a decent idea because people are pretty upset about that one, including myself, by the way, because I love Nintendo and they are making it hard to love them. But yeah, more clickbaity titles, better thumbnails. Huh. I wonder if AI can create a good thumbnail for me. Because I don't really care about thumbnails, but whatever. Paint gray box tiles to design collision areas. Okay. And then this side is a bit different. So this side is going to be like this, I think. I think that's good. And then, yeah, I need a giant wall running through the center so that the hat can't go through that. I won't buy anything from Nintendo anymore. That whole new pricing and constant online stuff is way beyond. I play their games on my Steam Deck and that's it. Yeah, I will say I'm the kind of person who does try to separate the product from the person. And so, like, for example, let's see. Like an example that I used with my wife, because my wife was really upset about this at one point, was she was really upset that the voice behind Rick and Morty was such a tool in real life and was like, why do you even watch that show? And my answer was just, I mean, I liked the show. I don't really care what the actor stands for or if he's a good or bad person. I mean, obviously he got put in jail and kicked off the show, so like obviously it ended up working out, but it's like, but with Nintendo, man, they're making it really hard to love them, you know what I mean? Like they're kind of trying to ruin their own games. So even though they make really fun games, they're trying to ruin the experience to some degree, right? I don't know. It's a mess. but Nintendo is the company, person, item at the same time. Yeah, let me think about that. Because you're right. Like, Nintendo is Mario. Nintendo is Smash Bros. Nintendo is the Switch, the GameCube. Like, it's all of those things, right? And yeah, they are definitely trying to ruin like old console experiences and only promote their new stuff. And the new stuff is like, do you really own anything anymore? Because everything is a virtual card. So yeah, I think I agree with you. And it's a bummer. Those games are fun. Can't see the walls. Gray box color. Ah, there we go. Now I can see the walls. Perfect. Okay, easy enough. Next is this thing over here. That, and that will be a pressure plate. Okay, this needs to be. Disabled, nice. Pressure plate. Oh, it's not very centered. There, maybe. Yeah, it's hard too because I still kind of think. Oh, you gotta go get your wife from work. Okay. Yeah, no worries. See ya. Perfect. Thanks. Oh, hey, welcome back. I'm actually just about to hop off, so sorry. No. Okay, I think I've got it done though. Let's try it out. No, that doesn't work. Ah. Okay, so the problem here is that these have a collision box that's colliding with the box. Okay, here, maybe I can do something like this. It's a little jank, but it might work. Just do a little bit of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of this. I think that'll work. So the game doesn't look any different, but now I should be able to hit that and push the box wherever I need to. What? Okay. So I push it over here like this, and then I have to come over here and do this. And then I push the box over here. And there you go. That's the level. Ah, except for the goal isn't hooked up. Nice. On goal. Oh, right. Level. Then goal, this, on level complete. There we go. Yeah, pretty successful day. This is funny looking. I think that's everything. Oh no, I need to put it in the level system. So let's pop it in here real quick. Gallade. And let's test it out in the real game. It's over here. Okay. So now, boop. That. Just gonna make sure that all the collisions are working properly. Everything seems good. Pretty hard to break that one, I think. The walls are just gray boxed for now. I'm going to have real walls eventually. Okay, and then I put that over this way. And done. Okay, works. Okay. Yep, that's it for me today. Actually, let's just double check that I got all the colors right. Did I get all the colors I want? I wonder if I could lighten the green even more. Yeah, that's good. Okay, one sec. Let me try one thing. If I do this, what happens? generate walls. Oh, I don't have this. Okay, so wall bottom and wall top, I guess. Aha. Ooh, it does kind of block the lever a little bit. So maybe I need to move these walls a little bit. Clear visuals seems to do nothing. Okay. Okay, so let's move these a little bit. I know I said I'm going. I have a problem. Okay, do that, and then we'll just bring it down to here. Same thing here. We'll just bring it down to here. Okay, and then turn off gray box, generate visuals. And let's see, can I get the hat? Ooh, that's a little unfortunate. So there's a cheat now, right? Yeah, which I do not want. So maybe just right here, clear visuals, gray box back on, put a little extra wall right there. Although for this lever, I might need to move it back a little bit. Okay, so now this. Let's see how it works. Definitely can't get it through anymore, right? Okay. But I can still hit this lever, right? Yep. Yep. Okay. Oh no. Okay, we're good. And boop. Okay. Yep, that's it. Pretty good day. Hey, thanks for being here. Talk to you tomorrow. See ya.